morning. You have to go to school. Wake up.
Usually just right out of bed, fresh and ready. Not really. I get like 30 minutes to get ready. Usually I have my hair in a ponytail. Last night I didn't, and it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna wet my hair. Brush through my hair. And then I'll finish that later. It's gone. Ready? Then I also have a prescribed cream that I use today. I'm just going to wash it. Oh, okay. Nice and clean. Okay. Now I'm gonna wash my teeth. This will take 2 minutes. I'm gonna do fast motion. Now I'm going to make them. I usually will do a fancy get the sheet. Spread it all up on the bed. And I usually do a good job, but today it was good. So let me get my blanket and after that. Ta-da! Then get that. No peekies. And comment, please. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. All of it.
And yes.
Done. Now I'm going to finish my hair. So today I put a top on. Brush just a little. Flip. Push her all forward. And it's going to be a messy top knot. So we got it really tiny. And remember, it just got better. It's messy. Oh, okay. How much time left, Mom? And the camera is on the camera.
13 minutes.
Oh no! Tighten that pumpkin. It's a little messy right now, but then another bunny too. And do this. Gonna wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Ooh. Let's try this again. Make a spot. Then wrap it. That's better. Just wrap it, wrap it. Messy, but that's the whole point. Hairspray, wait first. The shall take literally enough that I can get. Okay. So usually I just keep practicing in school or don't need it all. So then the shoes I put on in one. So I do my makeup and I'm done. Like, subscribe, and see you next time on Super